Hi people, I have important video tutorial for you. You probably wonder how to get rid of problem when you, for example, when you render the scene by graphics card. I will show you because it is important video tutorial. Everything seems to be okay, but your final render is black. Let me to show to you because I didn't want to skip that step. I know how to fix that problem. It is easy, but let me to show step by step. You have to go to compositing. I think I will have to delete everything else. First of all, we need to add to the scene input, scene render layers, and after that, we need to add output, file output. And after that, everything seems to be okay, but we will switch to JPG. Now it should be okay, but I have to render the scene. I have to buy vector graphics card people in the future. Oh no, this is terrifying usage. I know why it happened because I should flash buffer of the graphics card. But I'm rendering the scene in full HD resolution. Okay, now everything should be okay. I just wanted to show to you. As you can see, our render has been completed successfully. No black render fix. No black render fix. But I will still. Oh, we have new extensions. Oh, Blender is changing. OpenEXR we have. I didn't see this format in the past. This version of Blender is still alpha version but is being developed and it goes to good direction. You can see I saved the scene. I hope you like my video tutorial. I showed you how to fix render black. Sorry. Render black image issue. Okay, see you guys. Sleep well. Have a nice evening.